Students, this is the fourth session of pH. In this session, we will learn about calculating pH of mixtures of strong acids, strong bases, and then when the two are mixed, means acid and bases are mixed. So first we will take individual cases if two or more strong acids are mixed. So if you have two or more strong acids, suppose HA plus HB, they are strong acids, then you have to calculate the total H plus ion concentration coming from these two acids. Total H plus ion concentration will be equal to the number or the concentration of H plus ion from HA and the H plus ion from HB. So we can write total H plus will be equal to the number of moles of H plus coming from both the acids upon total volume. Now if you are given the normality of these acids, you can directly use the formula N1V1 plus N2V2 upon total volume V1 plus V2. But if you are given molarity, then you have to multiply by the n factor, means जितने hydrogen ions उस acid से आ रहे हैं, तो it will be equal to n factor into molarity of acid 1 into V1 plus n factor into molarity of acid 2 into V2 upon V1 plus V2. तो अगर नॉर्मेलिटी दी हुई है तो हम डायरेक्टली नॉर्मेलिटी यूज करके ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके टोटल हाइड्रोजन आयन कैलकुलेट करेंगे. देन वी कैन फाइंड पीएच इज इक्वल टू माइनस लॉग एच प्लस. इफ वी आर गिवन मोलैरिटी, देन नॉर्मेलिटी इज इक्वल टू एन फैक्टर इनटू मोलैरिटी, मींस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयन गिवन बाय 1 मोल ऑफ एसिड इनटू द मोलैरिटी ऑफ द एसिड. You will do this and then you can calculate the hydrogen ion concentration. Let us solve first question. 0.1 molar 10 ml HCl plus 0.1 molar 20 ml H2SO4 plus 70 ml water, they are mixed together. So these are acids. First you have to look whether they are acids or they are bases, or they are acids and bases. So both are acids. So we can use H plus ion. Total concentration will be equal to 0.101 into volume 10 plus hydrogen ions are 2 here, so 0.01 into 2 into volume 20. Clear? Hydrogen ions तो इन्हीं से आ रहे हैं. Divided by total volume 10 plus 20 plus 70, 100 ml. Clear? So when you are multiplying these molarity into volume in ml, you are getting millimoles of an acid. और मिलीमोल्स को हम मिलीलीटर्स वॉल्यूम से डिवाइड कर देंगे, यू विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम इन लीटर. तो कंसंट्रेशन मिल जाएगी. नीचे भी ml है, ऊपर भी ml है. ठीक है. नाउ कैलकुलेट दिस. यू विल गेट दिस इज 1 प्लस 40.4 अपॉन it is 0.1 100. So this is 0.1. 0.01 into 10 is 0.1 plus 0.4 40 and then 0.4 upon 100. So it becomes 0.5 upon 100, or we can write 5 upon 1000. So H plus ion concentration coming from here is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 3. So pH will be equal to minus log 5 into 10 power minus 3. 3 minus log 5. 3 minus log 5 is 0.7. So you will get 2.3 pH. Clear? So here we have given a mixture of acids. From that mixture of acids we have to calculate H plus divided by calculate the millimoles of each acid divided by the volume. Then you calculate hydrogen ion concentration and then pH. Now coming to bases, same case is for base. You have to calculate the total OH minus ion concentration, number of moles of OH minus upon total volume. So here also you can use the same formula, N1 V1 plus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. This is the OH ion concentration. Then you will calculate POH minus log OH minus, and then pH will be equal to 14 minus log minus POH. Clear? Here also, instead of normality is molarity if given, you have to multiply the n factor with the molarity to get the normality or the total concentration of OH minus. Let us take a case here. 20 ml of 0.05 molar KOH plus 20 ml of 0.01 molar NaOH plus 60 ml water. So calculate the OH ion concentration. Here we are given bases and water is neutral. Not neutral, it will have OH minus, but that will be negligible compared to this because concentration is high. So OH minus will be equal to 20 into 0.05 plus 20 into 0.01 अपॉन, बिकॉज दे आर मोनो एसिडिक बेसिस, एक एक OH देंगे तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी एन फैक्टर नहीं है, डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वॉल्यूम 20 + 20 + 60 100 ml. क्लियर? इट विल बी इक्वल टू 10, it will be 1 plus 0.2 upon 100. Now solve it further. It will be 1.2 upon 100, or you can write OH minus is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. POH will be equal to minus log OH minus, and it is equal to minus log 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. Clear? It becomes 2 minus log 1.2, means you have to look the value of 12 in 0. So 12 in 0, 0.079, 0.08, we will take 0.08. So it becomes 1.92. So pH will be equal to 40 minus 1.92. You will get the answer. So in this way you can solve the questions. If you are given a mixture of acids, if you are given a mixture of bases, calculate the total H plus or OH minus and then calculate the pH. Now coming to the another type of questions in this, if pH is given and you are asked to calculate the pH of the total mixture. Now let us take this case, equal volumes of acids with pH 3 and 5 are mixed. You have to calculate the pH of mixture. So what will be the pH of mixture? Now here two pH are given, pH is equal to 3 and pH is equal to 5. What is the H plus ion concentration from here? It will be 10 power minus 3 molar. H plus ion concentration from here will be equal to 10 power minus 5 molar. pH is 5, that means H plus will be 10 power minus 5. Total pH plus will be equal to 10 power minus 3. See, equal volumes are given. Suppose V volume are mixed into V plus 10 power minus 5 into V upon 2V. Clear? So you will get V will cancel out and you will get 10 power minus 3 plus 10 power minus 5 upon 2. Now take 10 power minus 3 common, it become 1 plus 10 power minus 3 ले लिए तो 10 power minus 2 बचा, it can be written as 0.01 upon 2. So it becomes 1.01 into 10 power minus 3 upon 2 divided 0.505 into 10 power minus 3, it becomes 5.05 into 10 power minus 3. Clear? Now calculate the pH. pH is equal to minus log H plus minus log 5.05 into 10 power minus 3. If we take approximately 5, it becomes 3 minus log 5. 3 minus log 5 is 0.7. So it becomes 2.3. So in this way you can find the pH. Either the volume will be given. Agar volume diye suppose 200 ml of pH 3 and 200 ml of pH 5, you will place here volume upon total volume. Then you will calculate the H plus ion concentration and then you will solve the question based on H plus ion concentration. Now in this question you have equal volume of solution, pH 4 is given and pH 10 is given. So it is an acid and it is a base. Clear? So what will be the hydrogen ion concentration from here? 10 power minus 4. Now what will be the pOH here? 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. That means what will be the OH minus ion concentration from here? 10 power minus 4. These are equal. H plus OH minus combine to form water. So they will neutralize each other and equal concentration, equal volume. So the net pH will be equal to, it will be neutral because they will neutralize each other, and the pH will be equal to 7. So that's all in this session. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.